Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to downgrade from iOS 16 beta back to iOS 15. Yeah, some of us probably rushed in the iOS 16 beta program. We didn't really think about the consequences, and now maybe it's too buggy for us and we all want to go back. So you can do that as long as you follow everything that I do in this video. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Also, subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on post notifications. I really appreciate that. Alright, let's go. Alright, so for the first step here, we're going to go into our phone settings on the iOS 16 device. Yeah, so all we need to do is go into settings and reset all settings. That won't wipe any data from the phone. It just will reset the settings back to default. So, very simple. Easy peasy. Mainly, the reason we do the whole wiping the settings is because since we're going to keep our data while downgrading to the lower version of iOS, it's best we don't allow the other higher settings to conflict with the OS of the older version. Yeah, it's simply because of that. That's why it's just to be safe that we wipe the settings. Now let's move to the next. Now we want to go into our browser and type ipsw.me. Yeah, that's the name of the link, ipsw.me. That's where we're going to get our software from. We're going to download the OS for the corresponding device. That's the iOS 15 OS we're talking about here. So you see what I'm doing. I'm using an iPhone 12 here, so that's what I'm going to follow. You'll do for your device model. Yeah, very simple. Yeah, so you can only download the ones that are check marked. Never download the ones that have an X. So download. Yeah. And now it's downloading. So while the software is downloading, that will take some time. So go into iTunes and back up your device. Yeah, I've already done that on mine already, so I won't waste much time here. After backing up, go into the edit pane and then go into preferences. Yeah, because I'm going to have to show you guys like my backup, so I'm gonna do that. I'm already done backing up. Yeah, but for you, you're gonna have to back up your device. That's the iOS 16. Look at it, preferences, then go into devices. As you can see the backup I'm talking about already done, showing the software version. Yeah, so we're going to have to make it in a way that we can install the iOS 16 backup on an older software. Yeah, we're gonna get there, but in the meantime, let's take it as the software is done downloading. Plug in your phone that you have backed up previously, and let's install our 15 software here. Click shift, then you click restore iPhone. Yeah, so you can open that, select the software. Once you select it, you allow it to install on the iPhone. It's very easy. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go into File Explorer on Windows and find the file, the folder that contains our backup that matches the time we backed up the iOS 16. Yeah, so you're gonna have to convert that backup to be able to work in an iOS 15 device, because normally it's not supported on Windows. It's not supported on the iPhone to install newer backups on older iOS versions. You understand that? So let's find the path where the backup is. Yeah, I know it's normally in a mobile sync folder. Yeah, I've come across that before. These are iTunes music it keeps showing me, so I had to go deeper, type mobile sync. I'll leave that for you in description also. Mobile sync. There it is. Yeah. So we're gonna click that backup, the most recent one here. Then we go into info.plist, you need to use a text editor to edit this. Let's use Visual Studio Code here. Yeah. So Control F. Click Control F so we can find product version. Yeah, we're looking for product version here. That's the only thing we're going to edit. Once we find that, we're gonna go down, remove the software number that's currently there, and put in the software that we want it to be able to work on. You get, it's like we're trying to downgrade it from its original level so it can work in our current software. Yeah, it's as easy as that. After doing that, you just click on save. Yeah, file and save, that's all. Then you close it. Yeah, at this point we have changed it back. Go into iTunes now and go into where we saw our backups in the first place. You now see the software version has been changed to what we just put in Visual Studio Code. There it is. There you see it. I downgraded it down to 15.0, I think. Yeah, it's 15.0, you can see. So it's very simple. Plug in your iOS 15 device that you have downgraded now, and then allow it to restore. You click on restore backup, and that's all. Once it's done restoring, that's all. Finish. Nothing will stop you from doing that, trust me. Yeah, please, I want you guys to follow all the steps that I told you here. Any issues you have, just contact me in the comment section. I'll reply you ASAP. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.